weight. So this is also presented either in
Making
metric
coffee,
system of measurement na international systems of units. Kaya naman natin ginagamit dito sa Philippines. But if you venture out exporting your products, pwede siya na ay conversion enclosed in parentheses. So kung naka-ml siya, na enclosed in parentheses, ounces. Ingat na. So for liquid, we use net volume. For solids, we use net weight. For semi-solid or viscous, mga chunks, mga jellies, we may use net volume or net weight. And then for mixed solid and liquid, mga corn, na naman na sila brine or water inside. So drain weight or green peas, mga beans, so drain weight ang atawag ibutang. And then for multi-unit retail package, such as mga coffee sticks or creamer, sugar, pwede natin indicate ilang grams per sachet and then ilang ka sachet within a package or a secondary packaging. And then, the next, proceed with the information display pattern and information naman. So, number 4, for the 11 mandatory requirements or information, the complete list of ingredients. So, it should be written in descending order or proportion. So, kinahanglan, kung sa itong pinakadaghan na ingredient, ito sa ibang product, mauto siya ang number 1. No? Di ba ninyo ibutang kasi mahalong mo, conscious mo na, naabay ako yung secret ingredient. No? Di ba ninyo ibutang pila ka grams or pila unsa ang exact formulation. But you would have to arrange that in descending order for the buyer information or buyer's information. And then, it should be complete. Dili din pwede na naitago-tago kay possible if it would cause contamination or allergic reaction to a consumer na matrace niya kung wala, dili mo makasuhan because you are transparent in the product that you are selling. Then it may not be required for single ingredient foods such as unsweetened na mga tablea or coffee beans. So, di na necessary na i-list of ingredients. And then, water must be declared except when it evaporates during the manufacturing